contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and couple shells and three pretty maids in a row. I love gardening. I love gardening. Flowers, 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 flowers. Thank you, Lord, for the oxygen, the elements, all elements, the carbon, the oxygen, the minerals, and all the vitamins, the soil, the rain, the sunshine, the oxygen, the carbon, all elements, vitamins and minerals, the rain, the sun, the sunlight, the rain, the water, and the soil. Thank you, Lord, for making my beautiful garden so beautiful and heavenly. I love gardening. Ako jud ang nananom sa pagtanom ani mga tanom. Ako jud ang nangunay og tanom, namubo sa mga tanom, nag-weeding, namasok, nag-fertilize sa ako mga tanom. Lord, flowers, 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 plants, gardening, gardening. Praise be Jesus and Mary. I love you, Jesus and Mary. Love, love, love. Peace, 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 not war. Love, love, love. Peace, peace, love. Be a cheerful giver. Be a gardener. Love all people. Love mankind. Love Jesus and Mary. Be a cheerful giver. Love peace, not war. Love, love, love. Peace, peace, peace. Love, 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 love.